Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. In today's video I'll be making, as you can tell, I'll be making a fall wreath using Dollar Tree supplies. The form that you're looking at I already made from summertime. This is my summertime wreath. All I did was pull the summer flowers out of it, and now I'm going to replace it with some fall flowers. So if you want to know how I made this wreath form, how I put it together, please go back and watch my videos of how I made my summer wreath. And you'll definitely see how I put it together. All I did was use a pool noodle and a wreath form from the Dollar Tree with some zip ties, tie them together, guys, and just feed it in with flowers. I'm using these floral picks that looks like wheat that I purchased at TJ Maxx last year. So I'm using it as a base to make the wreath look more fluffy. So I'm putting all these wreath flowers in. I'll call them wheat flowers because I don't quite remember the name of them. So I'm putting the flowers in one direction because I want to have them sway around the wreath. So now it's time to put my maple leaves in, and these were purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm putting them in no particular order. I'm just feeding them in. Very easy, just feeding them in. adding these sunflower from my summer floral arrangement that was at my coffee bar. I just pulled them out of that arrangement and now I'm going to place them in my wreath. I'm mixing them in with some orange flowers that I had before a couple of years back. They're still in good condition, so I'm mixing them in with those, and I think it's looking absolutely beautiful already. I'm also adding some blue that I purchased last year. I'm adding some blue, but I'm only going to put the blue flowers at the bottom, and I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. So here you see me try to cover the pool noodle at the bottom where I have the closure. I'm just gonna cover it with some more flowers. And I think this turned out absolutely beautiful, but I want to hear from you. Please drop me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of my fall wreath. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends, guys. Stay tuned for the next DIY. So for this other project, I'm making a fall floral arrangement for my coffee bar or wherever I want to put it, but I like to make a little arrangement for my coffee bar. I might use it in a vineyard or so, but I'm making another little one. So it's the same cup, the same foam, the same setup that I told I use in the summertime. I just pull the summer flowers out of it, so now I'm going to be replacing them with fall flowers. So the clear cup was purchased from the Dollar Tree. The foam was purchased from a local 99-cent store. All I did was just glue the foam inside the cup, and that's how I put that together. There's a video on how I made my summer floral arrangement. If you go back to my videos, you'll definitely see how I put it together if you're interested. And I'm thinking this is looking absolutely amazing. All I did was just feed it in with fall picks, and all these fall picks were purchased from the Dollar Tree. So guys, the gold ones though, I think was purchased from the Target dollar spot last year, but everything else was the Dollar Tree, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. I'm just here fluffing it and fixing it to make sure it look aesthetically pleasing to your eyes. But I'm loving the look of this little floral arrangement, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. I was thinking of putting in that pumpkin right there, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I'm just going to leave it with the gold and the orange. Nah, I'm going to take it back out. It's not looking good. No way. Well, there you have it. My fall floral arrangement turned out absolutely beautiful. But please leave me your comment below. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and share my videos with your family and friends. Until next time, be creative and be blessed. Bye-bye.